Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can disable Reddit notifications on Reddit app. It's really easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android because the process will be pretty much the same. Alright, so first of course open Reddit app, and once you are on the Reddit app you need to click on your profile icon that is on the top left, and then you should see this pop up on the left side. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to go on the bottom. You can see settings. Click on it, and here you need to go, as you can see here, on account settings. So press on you / and your nickname here, and once you're here, you should see manage notifications. Press on that. And here you can basically turn off all the notifications, or for example, if you don't want to get chat requests, you can toggle this down and you will not get chat requests or notifications when you get new followers or pin posts or whatsoever, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.